In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a new workspace in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Getting started with Slack is quite simple, so let's walk through the process step by step. First things first, you should have an invitation to join a workspace. This usually arrives in your email inbox, so go ahead and open that email invitation. You'll find a button that says Join Slack. Just click on that button and it will guide you through the process. If, by any chance, the Workspace admin sent you a direct link through a messaging app, you can click that link too. Either way, you'll be redirected to the Slack platform. Once you've clicked the Join link, it's time to set up your account. You'll be prompted to create your Slack username. This is how your colleagues will identify you within the workspace, so choose something you feel comfortable with. After you've entered your username, click the Continue button to proceed. Sometimes you might encounter a security challenge, like a CAPTCHA puzzle, meant to ensure that you're not a robot. Just follow the on-screen instructions to complete that challenge, then you'll be all set to go. Now that your username is set up, the next step is to verify your email. Slack will send a verification code to your inbox, so switch over to your email and look for that message. Once you find it, copy the verification code provided. After that, head back to where Slack prompted you and paste that code into the verification page. Once you've entered the code and it's confirmed, you'll be one step closer to entering the workspace. Once your email is verified, you can finally access the workspace. You have a couple of options here. You can either launch the Slack app if you have it installed on your device, or you can choose to use Slack directly in your web browser. Both options will connect you to your new workspace, and you'll be ready to start collaborating with your team. And that's it. You've joined your new Slack workspace, created your account, and verified your email. You're all set to communicate, share files, and work with your colleagues in this collaborative environment. Slack is an excellent tool for team communication, and I'm sure you'll find it very helpful. Remember, if you have any issues during the process, don't hesitate to reach out to your workspace administrator. They're there to help and can provide additional guidance if needed. Thanks for watching today's video on how to join a new workspace in Slack. If this step-by-step guide was useful for you, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, and if you'd like more helpful tips and tutorials, make sure to subscribe to the channel.